Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to introduce you a small audio upgrade that has become very popular among music lovers who want warmer, smoother sound without spending a fortune. And this is the FX Audio Tube-03 Pro Tube preamplifier. At first glance, it may look like a simple device, but don't let its size fool you. For many audio systems, this little tube preamplifier can make a surprisingly noticeable difference. If you are using a DAC, a Class D amplifier, active speakers, or any system that sounds a little bit bright, thin, or harsh, the Tube-03 Pro is designed to add warmth, body, and musicality to your listening experience. On the front panel, you will find a volume control, bass adjustment, and a treble adjustment, giving you quick and easy control over your sound. The highlight of the Tube-03 Pro is, of course, the pair of the vacuum tube on the top here. Yeah, these tubes are responsible for adding that classic tube character that many audiophiles love. And inside, I have opened one FX Audio Tube-03 Pro for you. Here you can see inside the Tube-03 Pro you choose 6K4 vacuum tubes and a low noise NE5532 here. NE5532 operational amplifier. This hybrid design combines the smooth and natural character of tube sound with the reliability and low distortion of modern solid-state circuitry. So the frequency response covers about 20 Hz to 20 kHz, providing full range audio reproduction. Signal to noise ratio is around 100 decibel, ensuring a clean listening experience with minimal background noise. Connections are very simple. You have RCA input here. Yeah, you have an audio input here and an audio output here. Also is RCA output. Just place the Tube-03 Pro between your audio source and amplifier, or between your DAC and active speakers, and you are ready to enjoy the difference. Okay, now let's talk about what really matters, the sound. Before we talk about more the sound, let's do a quick sound test. Okay, so now on my hand is the Tube-03 Pro, the black one. Now I will insert the Tube-03 Pro between the source and the amplifier. Here I need a RCA input to take the signal from the DAC. After that, I use another RCA output for the amplifier. Okay, and that's done. You just need to turn it on and enjoy the music. Listen carefully to the music. Now I will adjust the bass and the treble. As you listen to the sound test, you can feel that there is more body in the mid-range. The sound feels smoother and more natural. Notice how the treble comes softer and less faggoting while still retaining detail. The bass notes gain a little more warmth and weight, making the music feel more relaxed and enjoyable. The overall sound stage also becomes more spacious, creating a stronger sense of depth and musicality. Of course, the exact difference will depend on your speakers, amplifiers, source equipment, and recording quality. But for many systems, the improvement is immediately noticeable. Okay, now let's talk about the listening experience in more detail. The Tube-03 Pro is not designed to increase your power. Its purpose is to improve the character of your sound. vocals become sweeter, acoustic instruments sound more natural, jazz recordings gain warmth, classical music feels smoother, and long listening sessions become more enjoyable because the sound is less aggressive. This makes the Tube-03 Pro especially suitable for vocal music, jazz, acoustic recordings, blues, oldies, ballads, and many other genres where musicality is important. Another advantage of the Tube-03 Pro is the tube rolling. The stock 6K4 tube here already sound quite good, but users can experiment with alternative tubes such as America tube like this. Yeah, it all has 7 legs, so it's very easy to change, and you can change it to another compatible models. Changing tubes allows you to fine-tune the sound signature according to your personal preference, making this affordable preamplifier even more versatile. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, it's on the 7 leg tube, so it's very, it can change very easy. You can see here. So considering its compact size, simple operation, and affordable price, the FX Audio Tube-03 Pro offers excellent value for anyone looking to add a touch of tube warmth to their audio system. It's not designed to replace high-end tube preamplifiers that cost thousands of dollars. Instead, it provides an easy and budget-friendly way to experience the charm of tube sound in a modern audio setup. If your system sounds too bright, too thin, or simply lacks of emotion, the FX Audio Tube-03 Pro might be one of the most cost-effective upgrades you can make. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave your question in the comments below. See you in the next video. Happy listening.